guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Dinah Anno, and as you would have seen from the title, today's video is to help us create eyebrows that would last us all day. And I have one hack to show you guys today. And to start off, we are going to be cleaning our face, getting rid of any dirt or excess oil on our face and our brows. It is important to make sure that your brows are dry when you're actually doing these steps. So I have a wipe. I use the one with argan oil, so it doesn't just dry out my face, it also leaves my face moisturized. Then I'm going to moisturize my lips. So I will be using this Davis eye pencil. It's just 100 naira. I got it from the market. I already shaved my brows. I just shaped them a bit. I don't really have a lot of brow hairs, so the next thing I will be doing is, I think I'm going to need a mirror for this. Make sure that the pencil is properly sharpened, and then just draw an outline of your brows. You want to take your time to make sure it's a straight line. So now that we have outlined our brows, the next thing would be, this is the magic. This is where the magic happens. This is the trick. This is where everything happens. This is what I've been doing lately that makes my brows last all day until I wash off my face. Please excuse how this glue is looking, but this is my lash glue. You must actually use the transparent eyelash glue for this trick. So like so, then you pick just a little and then you apply it on your hair. And you have to be fast with this because you know eyelash glue dries quickly, so you have to apply this really quickly on your brows. And the next thing would be to use the brush and brush them in place. You see it's already drying set. So this would actually give you that individual brow look, and you would really appreciate this more if you had like a fuller brows. And then you just use the ends of the brush to secure it in place. Just press it in, and that's all. So I will do the same thing for the next place, the next brows. I'm just going to apply the glue in like this, and then brush it in place. Ball of glue, because I haven't actually washed this brush for a long time. I've just been using it for brows. And then press it down, press it down, press it down, press it down, and look, it's going to help your brow hairs stay in place, and it's going to give you this individual brow look. So the next thing to do, you know, there are some places that looks empty and it's looking very scanty. So to fill that in, you can either use your brow tint. This brow tint is from Usha's. I don't really like using this a lot because of how dark it is, and I'm just going to use it to fill in those areas that are looking dark, that are looking light. Or the second thing you can do would be to use your same pencil and just fill it in stroke like, you know, just fill in fill in. You can see, just fill it in. Those areas that are still showing your skin. If your brows are full, you might not even need to do these steps. It just covers up everything. So yeah, that's it. To use a concealer that is a little bit thick and dries quickly, I'm using the Zaron Cosmetics concealer. I like how bright it is, so it helps me keep my brow bone highlighted throughout. Maybe when I want to do like an when I want to do like an eyeshadow look, and it dries quickly, it dries down matte, and it becomes thick, so it allows me to define my brows well. So I'm just going to clean off the edge of the brows. Okay, and I would also do the top. You're actually supposed to use like your exact skin tone for the top, but I would blend it properly. So I'm telling you, in case you're doing yours, use your foundation for this part, but because the concealer I have here is not too much, I will just use it to define the top. The reason why it's easy for my brush to just glide through is because it's dense, it's very thick, and you don't even have to buy a very expensive brush. The one I'm using is from Classic Makeup Cosmetics. This is their angled brush, and it's not that expensive. I can't really remember how much it is right now. And in case you're wondering why my brows are so thick, it's because it's my preference. I love thick brows. It's just my preference, and now I'm just going to blend out the concealer. So you can see why I was talking about thickness. You can see how smooth it's looking. And the canvas now for my eyeshadow is so smooth and clean and defined. 3 tricks that I used for this. Number 1 would be obviously the eyelash glue. Number 2, dense angled brush, very important. Number 3, a concealer that has a thick consistency and would also easily dry down matte, thereby giving you a very smooth canvas. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys were educated on one thing or the other, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye.